Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 8.3 question number 3. The population of a city decreased from 25,000 to 24,500. Find the percentage decrease. Let us find. Well, first decrease in population. Decrease decrease in population. Decrease in population is equal to 25,000 minus 24,500. You subtract this one, that is 25,000 minus 24,500. 24,500, we are getting 0, 0, 5, 500. The decrease in population is equal to 500, right? Therefore, percentage decrease is equal to, therefore, decrease in percentage or percentage decrease is equal to percentage decrease. Percentage decrease is equal to decrease in population decrease in population decrease in population decrease in population divided by decrease in population divided by original population divided by original population into 100% into 100%. We'll find decrease in population is 500 and original population was 25,000 into 100% into 100%. Okay, now I'll change into lowest term, that is this 0 will cut, this 0 will also cut, and this 0 will also cut, right? Now 25, this is 50, that means 25 1 is 25, 25 2 is 50, 2, that means percentage decrease is 2%. That is answer, right? Therefore, percentage decrease we find is 2%. Hence, the percentage decrease, therefore, the percentage decrease, therefore, the percentage decrease is 2%. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.